We are preparing nurses not only to work as nurses there in the hospital, we also prepare them. Welcome to SRM College of Nursing, a premier institute under SRM Institute of Science and Technology, NAC A++ accredited university. SRM College of Nursing was established in the year 1992. We have crossed 3 decades in the field of nursing education to train nursing students. I am Dr. Helen Shaji, Dean, SRM College of Nursing. We are having 7 different programs under SRM College of Nursing. We do have UG degree program, PG degree program and post-basic diploma courses as well as general nursing and midwifery. I'll just talk about what are the programs which are available there in SRM College of Nursing. The first and foremost is the BSc Nursing degree program. This is a 4 years degree program and the students who have studied +2 in science group or science max group can join for this. They should have obtained PCB, that is physics, chemistry, biology, minimum 45% to join for this course. But we do take students who have obtained 60% in physics, chemistry and biology as an aggregate. And we also have got general nursing and midwifery course which is run by Directorate of Medical Education. This has got 3 years and during these 3 years they will also study like the general UG degree program and they will also practice along with the UG students there in our hospital. We do have post-basic BSc nursing program. This post-basic BSc nursing program is for the people who have already studied general nursing and midwifery, and if they wanted to go for a degree program, they can join for this course, and it is a 2 years degree program. So it is a kind of lateral entry, so they will be able to complete the degree program. Again, we have got MSc nursing program. This MSc nursing program is those who are eligible for MSc nursing program is those who completed UG program in nursing and minimum having 1 year of experience either in the clinical area or in the teaching institution to work as a tutor can join for this course. Before joining, they should have got license for practice in India as well as India in different states. Now, for MSc nursing program, we have got 5 specialties: medical and surgical nursing, obstetric and gynecological nursing, child health nursing or pediatric nursing, community health nursing, and we have got mental health nursing or psychiatric nursing. We have only maximum 25 seats in MSc nursing program, and each specialty we will be taking 5 students. We do have post-basic diploma in critical care nursing, post-basic diploma in emergency and trauma nursing, and post-basic diploma in operation theatre nursing. These courses are 1 year duration, and those who have already completed UG degree in nursing program or diploma nursing program can study this course. It is a 1 year course. It is helpful for the people, those who really wanted to work in OT side or critical care area or trauma area. They can expertise in that. We do have PhD program. And PhD program we have part-time as well as full-time. This PhD program is run by SRM IST. We have part-time people who are already working in our college as well as those who are working as a faculty in different nursing colleges. 5 seats we are taking as a full-time PhD scholars. So the duration of full-time PhD program is 3 years, whereas for the part-time it is 4 years. We have NPCC, that is Nurse Practitioner Critical Care Nursing Program, which is a residency program, and it is also 2 years in duration. Here, most of the time they will be spending their time in the clinical area. In the critical care areas, they will be mentored by the medical doctors as well as the nurses who are expertise in these areas. So this is about the programs, and the admissions are already open, and those who are interested and meeting the eligibility criteria can apply for it. We do have very good infrastructure and we have some highlights also. World-class infrastructure is there, which is meeting the Indian Nursing Council norms and Tamil Nadu Nurses and Midwives Council norms. Our college is affiliated to TNC as well as accredited by INC too. We do have periodic inspection for monitoring the standards and quality of the institution. And we have a very good library which is having more than 5,000 books in different specialities. And we do have very good journals, national as well as international journals to meet the learning needs of the students. We have e-learning system and we have LMS platform also. The students will be able to make use of it. We have a good mentor-mentee system in our college where we not only taking care of their learning needs, we also take care of their personal needs. So the students will be mentored by a same mentor throughout the curriculum and they will try to bring them with flying colors. We do give placements for the students once they reach their 4th year. So the placements across India as well as overseas, the placement drives are being taken care of. And students, those who are interested to join as a nurse in different private hospitals, they can do. Our own parent hospital, which is 1,600 bedded hospital with all the specialities and super specialities, they can join and work as a nurse here also. The last year, we have campus drive from Adayar Cancer Institute, Apollo Speciality Hospital, We are preparing nurses not only to work as nurses there in the hospital, we also prepare them to work as nurse educators in the hospital and tutors or the lecturers there in the College of Nursing and School of Nursing. They also work in medical transcription, coding, as well as medical billing area. So many of the corporate companies are nowadays coming forward to recruit our students for all these areas with a higher package. They do work in health insurance companies as an advisor for the health insurance claiming system. We do provide OET, which is otherwise known as Occupational English Test. This is given for all the students when they are in the internship period. So we have got a MOU signed with IMIMS. They are taking care of this coaching for the students. At the end of their internship, they are eligible to write this exam, which will be helpful for them to migrate to different Western countries like UK, Canada, and Australia. We are also training the students with foreign language such as German language as well as Japan language. Nowadays, the healthcare system is so good in all these countries and there is an acute shortage of nurses all over the world. So for going and working in those countries, every nurse should be at least proficient in speaking in their own language in order to interact with the patients. Keeping this point in mind, these kind of foreign language training is given to the students. So all-round development of the students are being taken care of in SRM College of Nursing, and we do not collect any donation, and the direct admission you can apply directly through the website and you can get your admission in SRM College of Nursing. We welcome you all to join in SRM College of Nursing and to make your academic journey successful. Thank you.